So now that I've given you the entire rundown on the whole history of the Imperial, let's take this baby for a ride. Sitting in a Barca lounger while you're traveling down the road. It just, I don't know, I think everybody should experience the land yacht at least once in their life. You got the armrest down, you know, you're just kind of cruising along. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's just unbelievable. You know, the pace of life, you know, in the 60s, you know, Dad obviously went off to work and took the car, and Mom was at home. Unbelievable. I love this car. So imagine you're Mr. Drysdale, you know, driving to the bank. This is great. Car handles nice, drives nice, smooth. Scare the people coming the other way. One-finger steering. Holy shnikes, this is crazy. Don't be doing anything stupid. My idea of a perfect road is one with no other cars on it. Oh. This is the shit. gods. Love Shack, baby. So you get the full Imperial treatment when you drive up to your homestead. Of course, you have to open your gates. As you open your gates, they have to open wide. So how awesome is this car? So folks, I'm Troy with V-Twins the V8s. I hope you enjoyed my videos on all the aspects of the Imperial, whether it be the features and functions or the driving of it. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it. And if you enjoy this type of content, I do make quite a bit of it. I show you a lot of cool cars, how to do things, how to restore your parts, make your car look the best. So please subscribe to my channel if you would be so kind. Comment section below. If you have questions on how to do things on your cars, please comment below and ask me. I will respond to you. I will help you do your project. Thank you for tuning in and good luck on your project.